Is your extrusion line slowing down? Don't let a malfunctioning link belt gearbox grind your production to a halt.
At industrialgearbox.net,
we understand the critical role that link belt gearboxes have on your job site. Our technicians are Timken certified and Falk School trained, and they're experts in the repair of link belt gearboxes. Despite being known for their durability, any mechanical equipment can experience breakdowns. Link belt gearboxes often break down due to lubrication issues, overloading and misalignment, as well as wear and tear and environmental factors. We are well equipped to completely restore your link belt gearbox back to OEM specifications. We offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We use only the highest quality parts in your repairs, and we can also manufacture any gears up to 20 feet in diameter. We have the fastest turnaround times, and we can also offer a 24-hour rush repair service, as well as a 2-year warranty that goes into effect when you put that gearbox back to work.
if your link belt gearbox is down, contact industrialgearbox.net today.